the founder who brought stability and ended an age of war. Zhou Guangyin, founder of peace, but his story has a darker edge. Year 960, Chen Chao mutiny. Soldiers placed the imperial robe on him. But think about it. Why did no one stop it? Why him? Some believe it was all staged, a throne he couldn't refuse. After becoming emperor, he didn't attack enemies first. He neutralized his allies. A cup of wine releasing military power, he invited generals to a feast and said, "Give up your armies, live comfortably." No one dared refuse. No bloodshed, but all power gone. He became an untouchable emperor. Then the end. One night, drinking with his brother, Zhao Guangyi, witnesses saw flickering candles and heard an axe. Next morning he was dead, candle shadow and axe sound. The records say nothing, but his brother took the throne. Did the master of control lose control? Or was this always the plan?